1967 Chevy Corvette. Red with black interior. As you can see, we have our very stylish looking hood with a little black stripe on it. 4-speed manual. Very mean little car. You can hear it out the back. Since school's out, we can get on her a little bit, but not too much. Besides that, we'll demonstrate the brakes for you quickly since we got a car behind us. Very good, of course. I can't make a full stop knowing that there's a car behind me. But all our gauges are good. We got the fancy wooden wheel. Got a working horn for all those slow pokes out there, especially in those Teslas. You know, Chevy's always better than them. But other than that, she's a nice little black convertible car. Very mean, very powerful. 327, but still does a lot of action. Anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you all take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there. It's coming, dude.